We'll guide you through how to share a YouTube video link on your Instagram story. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and what I want to do is go and share a YouTube video link on my story, because perhaps I've just gone and published a video and I want my followers to go and check it out, or perhaps trying to go and promote someone else's. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this can be done. So first of all, you do need to go and head to YouTube. So here we are. Now, what you can do is go and find the video you wish to go and share the link of and go and promote. This could be your own video or somebody else's. So we need to go and find it. If it's somebody else's on the homepage, you can press search in the top right and go and search for it. However, if it's your own, to go and find it, you can go and press the U button in the bottom right, switch account if needed to switch to your channel, and then tap your name at the top to get to your channel. And you can then go and find the video you want to go and promote. So let's go and say I want to go and share the link of this one here at the top. So what you can do is go and tap on it like so. And then what you can do is come just beneath it. At the bottom here, go and find the share button. It's not actually going to say share. It's just got an arrow, which you can then tap. And you want to go and press copy link. Now, what you may want to do here is go and take a screenshot. So we can then go and add this on our story, unless you've got another image you want to go and add. And then what you can do is come and return to Instagram. Press your profile icon in the bottom right, and you can press the plus in the top left. Then what we can do is go and select story. Now you can go and take a photo now or choose another from your gallery. I'll choose the screenshot here. And then you can go and press the sticker button in the top right. And you can go and find the option for link. Then you can go and tap here and you can go and press on your cursor and press paste. And you can then go and press done. So that is the link there. Then you can go and resize this and go and paste it where you want. Of course, you can add some text like check out the video. When you're ready, you can press your story in the bottom left and it'll then go and be shared. And you've added the video link on your story. Leave a like if you found this useful.